Hey guys, this one was on here. I got a dare from Melissa on her YouTube channel. Is 2 for a gymnast or gymnast. I don't know how you say it. So this is the dare. Let's use. Oh, this is dishwashing. I'll pay attention to soaps. Oh, I'm gonna use the lemon olive soap. I had to pour soap on a piece of dog food and like eat it. So I guess I'm gonna get the dog. Ah, this is gonna be disgusting. Ugh. It's just this. Ugh, I'm gonna throw up. Okay, well, this is the thing. Um, yeah. So I guess I'm gonna eat this. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. One. Ugh. Okay. Oh, shoot, my eye. Okay. One, two. Oh, so that was a dare. Uh, bye. Wait, that was a dare and goodbye.